Hi, it's Olga from Allsopp Allsopp Real Estate, and I'm going to be showing you around this 1-bedroom, fully furnished apartment in the 8 residence. So first when you walk in, you have the powder room. Moving on to the living and dining room area. Comes fully equipped with built-in appliances. And personally, I love the 8 because of the very modern, contemporary design. It's been furnished to a very high standard, which is great. Moving along to the balcony, you have a large spacious balcony. It's just sunset views every day. And the marina skyline views as well. Moving back along, you have TV area, again beautiful views. And now the bedroom. Again, beautiful views of the marina skyline there. Built-in wardrobes from either side. And the large bathroom with a separate bath and shower, which is great. If you'd like any more information on this property or you'd like to arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided. Thank you so much.